So you want to take your advertising up a notch, but you still don't have the budget for AdWords. Well, I found a perfect little site for you. In fact, so good that you can buy about 100 leads for $20. And it's real people. Now, if you watch this video till the end, I'll actually share another tip with you. So let's dive into it. Now, the site is called AdHits, and down in the description, I will leave a link for you. Basically, you'll need to sign up. It's free to sign up. And then you will click on Buy Network Ads. Now, just before I show you how to do that, let me show you the results of this and the costing of it. I've taken the liberty of making a screenshot. This is my account, and you can see there for the total spent of $20, I have generated 375 leads or hits to my page. This campaign over here, for $25, 545 hits. For a system like pay-per-click on Google, for $25, you may get 3, maybe 4 hits to your site if you are lucky. So let me show you how this site works and what can be done there. Okay, as I said, you create an account, log in, and you click on Buy Network Ads. First of all, you would name your campaign. You can name this anything you want to. You are not doing adult content, dating, bookmaking, so it is basically none of the above. What kind of ads do you want to use? You can use text ads. I've found them not to be as effective, so basically click on image ads. The size, 468 by 60, I found to be very effective, but you can use whatever. I would also leave the size in the description of the video below for you to find. Show my ads everywhere, not a good thing. Show my ads in these countries only, yes, by all means. Europe, North America, Oceania, which is mostly New Zealand, Australia side, yes, very good. Or if you wish, you can pay 20% extra and specify the countries that you will, but for this exercise, let's just focus on this. I'm just going to choose North America for now. Next step is setting your budget. Now, the minimum is $5. So do $5, do $10, whatever you wish. I'm going to put in there $10. What is your daily ad budget? Have it run for 5 days, so make it $2. Next step, the destination URL, that would be your, not your affiliate link, that will be your landing page that you've created, the URL. Just remember to take out the HTTP. The destination website, you can call that anything you want. Starting date, today, tomorrow, as you feel. Now it says choose a file. This would be the picture that is shown on the different websites for the people to click on. Once they click on that, they will fall onto your destination URL. Now you can either go to Canva and do the 468 by 60 and make your own. Or if you want to, the easiest way to do it would be to go Google and go click or search for a money banner 468 by 60. Simply click on images and you can scroll down and there's a whole selection which you can maybe download one and use whatever. You see there's a lot of them. So basically for that, you'll just click on choose a folder. There I have actually downloaded something, which you'll just click on upload. The consent field, I'm just going to put in any address for now. As I said, remember to remove the HTTPS/. Click on upload, and there you can preview the banner. We go to next step. That is basically it. If you have a discount code, I've never found one myself, but if you're lucky enough to find one, maybe search on Google. If not, I mean, it is cheap enough. There you will see a total. You can just either click on continue shopping and create another banner for another landing page. Otherwise, just click on I have read the agreement and you can do a coin payment or pay with your credit card. As simple as that. So what do you think? But here's that other tip I promised you. If you go to my profile and you scroll down, this purple image down here, if you click on the image, there's a link to an absolutely free course. If you want to learn more, join me in the course. As I said, it's absolutely free. One last tip. All this traffic you're sending to your offer, don't send it to your offer. Send it to your lead capture page. Capture the leads. My next video, I'll explain to you exactly what to do with them. Have a wonderful weekend.